song by Leonard Dembo. This is one of many Leonard Dembo's multi-dimensional songs. It is a song which is as much a political commentary as it is for everyday family living. Dembo shows a great understanding of the fact that great societies are built upon great family foundation. The song starts by highlighting the fact that building strong families is crucial but not easy. He says mushachayo wakaoma na baba, which means building strong families is not easy. He further drives this point home when he says kune vamwe vakaukonewa kusvika mukufa, which means some have tried without success to start and build families even up to death. This applies to families, societies and countries. Dembo then quickly moves into the second most important theme in this song, which is the respect of people's rights. He says each and every human being must have their rights respected. He says Kodzero yana baba ana amai nevana ngairemekedzwa, which means respecting rights should not be affected by gender or age. Dembo signs off with the legendary words kwete kungodzvanyirira vamweka, do not abuse other people. If the whole world can take Dembo's words to heart, this planet will be a better place for all. Cheers.